Sometimes when you're looking for data in Excel, you need to search more than one region. I have downloaded data from the internet. It's Superstore data that's available for you to download. And I've extracted some stuff out of here, which is primarily an account number and a name. Now, for simplicity's sake, I have the three columns of account numbers and names located on one sheet, but you could easily have it on 3 different sheets in 3 different places. It's just a matter of setting it up where you want to do it. I have 3 different ifs in a row within a for loop, and so let's just search. Let's search the easiest way is to copy the name. Now, you wouldn't have these names or this before you got here. You'd have it probably in some other form, but you're trying to find out who the customer name is so you could phone them or whatever. So let's go Control C and we'll get that name and we're going to search. And then we're going to go Control V and then we're going to click search and it's going to give you the name. Now, if I clear that and let's scroll down. Oh, let's close this. Let's go down to somewhere down here and we're going to Control C this and we're going to go back up to our search form and we are going to get, once again, Control V and then you're going to search and it's going to give you the customer number. Now, let me show you the code and how I did this. So, to view the code, what we're going to do is we're going to, I created a user form, so basically you go insert and user form, and then I entered in the names and the text boxes for you to enter the names. And so let's double click on the search button here, and you'll bring up the code for that. And so what I've done is I've defined name and account number as strings, lastrow, and then I have X as long. Okay, lastrow equals worksheet, range A1, current regions row count. Now, if TextBox is nothing, then MsgBox enter account number, and if. Okay, I'm setting the account number equals whatever you've entered into TextBox1. Okay, now what I'm doing is I'm going through in the first if statement, I am going through the first row of data, and there's about 250 in this row. So I'm going through X1, and then if it doesn't find it in the first X1, then it's going to go to the next, which is X4, and then if it doesn't find it in there, it's going to go to X7. But they're not else if, there are 3 ifs in a row here, and it's all combined with a for statement. Then the 3 ifs run, and then it goes to the next one, goes to the next line. There you have how you can search in 3 different areas for a value within one set of code. Please subscribe.